Hey guys, today's set is a combo of gadgets for your daily routine. We'll prove that even a socket may become a bright spot in your interior, show you incredible jewelry for men, and turn shaving into a feat. Don't forget to check out the description box with all the links to the products. Let's get started. No more reasons to be afraid of the dark. This tiny keychain flashlight will always come to your rescue. Despite the extremely compact size, it boasts an extremely bright output. Plus, there are 4 brightness levels to choose from. The controls are really easy, as you'd expect with only 2 physical buttons. This thing is waterproof. The built-in rechargeable battery allows up to 60 hours of use, and it charges with a micro USB. Now here's another great option that's even more powerful. While keeping the same keychain design, this flashlight with 5 brightness levels is even more powerful. Besides, the integrated OLED screen provides you with glanceable info, including the mode, brightness level, and remaining battery life. 2 lockout modes help to avoid accidental presses. As for the charging port, it's USB-C, so this one is clearly more future-proof. Here's a compact and affordable drone that suits best for beginners. The one-hand remote control is super intuitive, so you won't be spending much time learning. There are 4 speed modes for different use cases, and the autonomous flight mode, which allows the drone to track and follow the object completely on its own. You can watch a live stream from the drone on any mobile device. The same app allows you to instantly transfer and share your content on social media. Full HD quality at 30 frames per second and 985 feet of maximum distance is not that impressive, but it's more than enough for amateurs. Come on, this drone weighs less than 3.5 ounces. While VR headsets already provide an incredible level of immersion, it's still not enough. With these Cybershoes, you can finally walk in virtual worlds the most natural way. All you have to do is just wear the shoes and take a seat. No size issues because these are one size fits all. By the way, the Cyber Chair and Cyber Carpet are also included in the package. Since your movements become more natural, the shoes help to reduce motion sickness, and you won't bump into everything around you. The shoes are compatible with all the popular headsets and platforms like Oculus Rift, HTC Vive, and Steam VR. Setting up and calibrating the system is extremely easy. Another cool feature is activity tracking, just like in fitness gadgets. See how many calories you can burn just sitting in a chair. Sinus pain is a common problem for allergic people. Here's an innovative drug-free solution that's proved its efficiency in clinical tests. The gadget uses low-current waveforms to calm your sinus nerves and reduce the pain. It doesn't take much time or effort. Simply glide the tip over your cheek, nose, and under the eyebrows. A 5 to 10 minute session relieves pain for the next 6 hours. So you only have to use this thing a couple of times a day. Unlike the drug treatments, this gadget is non-addictive and free of harmful chemicals. Charging the gadget's easy. It's equipped with an LED light that indicates the battery status with different colors. Now you can prepare for spring without medication. Nitro Coffee is like an ultimate mixture of coffee and beer. Unfortunately, it's only served in fancy coffee shops and it's quite pricey. But with this device, you can easily make it at home and save your money for something else. All you have to do is fill the keg with some cold brew coffee, then install a nitrogen cartridge. Then just quickly shake the gadget and let it chill in the fridge for an hour. That's it. Now you can enjoy your foamy, stout-like coffee. The included faucet allows easy pouring and makes sure you'll get a nice foamy top. It's also provided with a tap plug that prevents dripping. The keg is stylish and extremely durable since it's fully made of stainless steel. Its 67 fluid ounce capacity is perfect for picnics. Next up is a VR headset that pushes the limits in terms of image quality. It stands out with 2 4K displays and custom lenses. Thanks to the Auto Eye system, these lenses automatically adjust to your eye. Another major point is the 180-degree field of view, which adds up to the immersive experience. Unlike many other headsets that only work with special controllers, this one can be controlled with bare hands. While the built-in microphone also allows seamless voice controls. What's more, the headset is really comfortable to wear. It's equipped with an adjustable head strap and a soft cushion made of artificial leather. For those who wear eyeglasses, don't worry, you can keep them on while playing. Virtual worlds keep getting closer to the real one. Now this ceiling light is minimalism at its purest. It's basically just a plain circle, and it's really easy to install following the video instruction. But at the same time, it's a smart and versatile gadget. The light is provided with a dedicated mobile app that brings infinite possibilities for customization. First, you can adjust the color temperature within a fairly wide range. Same goes for brightness, of course. Then you're free to express your mood with 16 million colors to choose from. You can control the light remotely from wherever you are. It's also compatible with Alexa, which allows seamless voice controls. Finally, you can create individual schedules and timers. This light is smarter than it looks. Let's take a look at something that'll bring some light to your interior. Why is tile so special? Well, it's not just about color, it's about multicolor within one device. It has 64 addressable LEDs in every piece, so it's possible to set your own combinations. One more feature is that you can operate this thing via tap, which is quite handy if you're losing remote controllers constantly. Tap it once to cycle through morph, static, color, and flame effect modes, and twice to switch it on or off. And last but not least, you can set several tiles together into any shape, picture, or letter. So cool. Little Leo, Wendy, and Charlie will love that. It's time to end the endless battles for a free socket. With this power strip tower, everyone can plug in whenever they want. It's equipped with 9 AC sockets along with 3 standard USB ports and a USB-C, so it makes 13 outlets in total. While all the ports are fairly powerful, the USB-C features a massive 20-watt output. Oh, you've spilled some water right on the tower? Well, never mind. Not only is this thing waterproof, but it also uses a surge protection technology that prevents short circuits. Another great feature is the integrated RGB lighting. You're free to choose one of several modes using the touch panel on top. What's more, this tower has a special holder where you can place your phone while charging, and the built-in strap allows you to carry the tower with ease. What can be more rebellious than cufflinks? Yep, with a hint of steampunk. In fact, these are more like a watch. All those gears aren't just a fancy decoration, it's actually a fully functional mechanism similar to what we see in vintage watches. Simple winding activates the beautiful movement. The cufflinks are made of high-quality materials such as brass and copper, and the exquisite packaging is perfect for gifts. You can go even further with this style and get yourself one of these rings. The same idea and perfect execution with several rubies and a large Swarovski crystal. This rounded version is even more high-end since it's fully made of silver and bronze. But it's the creativity that really matters. Being a man means facing your troubles face to face, even with your face, when you try to form your goatee. Well, you're not the only one, so one of the sufferers has invented this simple yet extremely effective gadget. There are 3 adjustments on the front of the product to fit the size of the goatee you want to achieve. There's also an adjustment on the back of the mouthpiece. So fix the device with the center of your nose and start your shaving routine. Speaking of shaving, you'll like these razors since they're the result of collaboration with Stark Industries. The Repulsor 1 with Exoblade features arc reactor technology that generates a perpetual energy supply to obliterate facial hair with unibeam pulse bolts. Because why not? The XL Gamma has stress-triggered sensors, plus an unstable molecular structure can increase up to 700% in razor mass and brute shaving force. Very brute force. The Ultra Strike Force was rebuilt with Super Soldier technology and has a rare vibranium-coated shield cartridge that shoots out from the handle to cut targeted hairs. And Thunder scorches hairs to the follicle with micro-lightning and has an honor-based gyrogravity field to make it borrow-proof. It's a dream team.